I guess I should show you. I'm just gonna drop it because
No, stick it through the fence until they come over.
I don't want to feed them. I'm scared.
They're not gonna bite you.
Well,
Quit being a wuss.
don't be rude.
Don't be a wuss.
Don't be rude to me.
Here, let me sit.
If you're gonna be mean to me, I'm gonna hang up.
Come here.
See, even she threw it.
Well, we're trying to get them over here. Okay, you bypass the hot dog.
Bro, that other one's like, hot dog?
Whoa, they're about to get on.
Yeah.
Let me see.
They're over
Whoa,
here.
look, they're over there scrapping over a hot dog.
Look, right there.
Hold on, let's let them find this hot dog.
Found it.
Hold on.
Oh,
Hold on.
Yep.
Come here, boys. Come here.
Oh, the white and tan one, Kevon Bacon, I don't think it's had any.
Come here. Hey. Hey.
The brown one needs one.
Yeah.
Hey, let me see one, Sammy.
I don't have them. They're over here.
Well, hand me one. I'm taping.
They're like, fuck y'all. I don't want no hot dogs. That one's
Come here.
coming back, though. He's like,
Come here, Bill.
oh yeah, Bil Clinton.
Nope, he's about to go tear something up back there.
Come here. Hey, boys. Come here. Come here. Come here.
No, you gotta give that one one.
I'm trying. There we go.
There we go. Now he got one. Oh, the black one. The black
Come here. Hey.
one's a fucking hot dog. Aw. Damn, the black one is mean.
Yeah, it's the alpha. Finally got
Oh!
him.
My God.
Hey.
Jump on the fence. Dude, he's trying to eat it out of his mouth. Oh, shit. These motherfuckers are mean.
One right there, fuck. Hey.
Y'all need to chew a little bit better than that. It's nasty. Dude, they're like, you got any more?
There it goes. That's it.
No.
You're gonna get it before your friends do.
And he stole it from him.
Yes.
You big dummy. Well, it's like the other one was like, I ain't eating no hot dog off the ground. The other one said, hell yeah, I'll eat that son of a bitch.
Guys, I don't got nothing more. Sorry. Bil Clinton done stole it. Sorry, bud.